preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially belt receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transceiver, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Blaze, Plains, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio. This weather radio warning alarm for the KCZ 47 listening area of Northwest Ohio. Enjoy dangerous weather situations, especially belt receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these signals are really conducted by the National Weather Service, let's say between 11 a.m. and noon. The threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed to the following day. The technically does the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. I need to fix that damn advisor light. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming.